Hi everyone, here we have a Honor 9X with the passcode, so we will try to, we need to hard reset the phone. So first thing we need to do is to power off the phone, like this. The next step is to put the phone in hard reset mode. So we need to push and hold the power button and the volume up button in the same time, like that. And when we will see the Honor logo, we release everything and we wait for the menu to show up. Perfect. So we select clear data, factory reset. The phone is asking us to enter the word yes, and the phone is asking us to we have a warning here that there is a Google account linked to the phone. So when we will do the factory reset, the phone will be locked with the factory reset protection from Google. So if you are in that case, please go check my channel. I share some tricks and tips to unlock the phone. So here we go. Perfect. So now we have to restart the phone. It will take more time than usual, so I will speed up the video. See you later. So perfect, as you can see the phone is like new now. You can we delete all the data. Thank you guys for watching. If the video was useful to you, please let us know in the comment section. You can also support us simply by a like and a subscribe.